Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Tina and this is my husband Brian. Mother Nature's finally given us some warm weather, so we're going to load up the Montana and head on out.
Yeah, after I've got all the bird poop cleaned off of it. I swear to God they were having a contest to see which one of them could hit the center of the O in Montana. There must have been 20 spots out there. So I'm not rolling into a campground looking like that. But anyhow, we did get a last minute cancellation, so we're going to head down to Grand Lake St. Mary's State Park near Lima, Ohio. It's been probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 years since we've been down there, and
we've heard they've made some improvements, so we're anxious to go check it out.
Yeah, we've seen that they've added a in-ground pool, which they didn't have before, which the state parks are starting to do with a lot of their popular parks. So stick around and we're going to show you guys around when we get down there.
Teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again. We're taking all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of
Okay, here we are, Grand Lake St. Mary's State Park. We are all set up. I had to go change some shorts. It got hot fast. So if you're going to be coming down to Grand Lake St. Mary's and you're coming from the north or the south and you're following I-75, if you get off on 33 and go west, it's just a short drive really off of I-75, just outside of St. Mary's, Ohio. And if you're asking where's St. Mary's, Ohio, St. Mary's is just southwest of Lima. So if you're coming from Dayton or even Toledo, it's really not that bad of a drive to get here. So Tina's going to give you a look at the lot that we happen to get for the weekend, and then we're going to give you guys a video tour of the whole park. So let's go check it out.
So we thought we'd give you a little peek at our campsite. Got this on a cancellation at the last minute. Pretty spacious, full hookup. Not bad for a last minute cancellation.
Looking back on how I used to be, I always thought that love was made for me. Oh well, I was just as blue-eyed as the sky could ever be. Loving you has made me realize I'm so tired of love songs. Life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs. Sick and tired of love songs. Even when my teardrops start to dry, and even when the sun begins to shine again, I've taken all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Ooh, sick and tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs that never turns out the way they do.
So as most of you that follow us already know, we travel with our e-bikes when we're traveling with our RV, and we found that these are an awesome way to see places.
Well, you can go so much further and see so much more than if you were just on a walk or in a car.
Yeah, absolutely. You're going to miss so much if you're just driving around in your vehicle, and you're going to go more, like you say, if you're on bikes rather than walking. So this is only our second time down here at Grand Lake St. Mary's, so we're not real familiar with the area, but we looked at Google Maps, and it does show a bike trail over on the other side of the lake, which is only a mile or so from here.
I mean, it's only like, what, 2 or 3 miles long, the trail?
It doesn't look like it's a very long trail, so we're going to go explore it and take you guys along with us. So come on along and we'll see together what this thing looks like.
Do you ever feel you don't get out what you're putting in? All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring?
So here it is, Sunday already. The weekend goes by fast, that's for sure. So we're sitting here, you can see in the background, everybody lined up at the dump station. It's Sunday, everybody's going home, and
fortunately the breeze is in our favor today and we're not getting anything waft in our direction.
Oh, I didn't even think about that, but I was actually thinking how nice it was that we were able to score a full hookup site, so we don't have to worry about sitting in line today. So, you know, speaking of that, this park has what, like somewhere around 200 sites?
Yeah, I think so.
200,
like
yeah.
30 something full hookups? That's pretty.
Yeah, so we've considered ourselves pretty lucky scoring a full hookup site on a cancellation at the last minute. And the site that we got is actually really nice. I mean, despite being backed up to the dump station, which really hasn't been an issue, it's close to the pool. The new pool that we showed you in the video is really awesome.
And there's a lot of space right behind us, grass area for the dog and stuff. To
Yeah,
throw
Toby-
a frisbee or whatever.
Yeah, Toby loves to play frisbee, so he was really enjoying that. You know, the pool wasn't here the last time we were here. We were here like 4 or 5 years ago, and there was no pool. So that's been a really nice addition to this park. And what did you just say? This will be in our top 5?
Oh, absolutely. I think especially the grandkids would love it, but there's something for everyone here.
Yeah, whether you're a fisherman or a boater, the lake is here. You have the boat ramp, and you have courtesy docks right here in the park. The pool is right there. It has a nice slide, a nice splash pad for the kids if you have the little kids. It's even nicer than the other pools that we've seen at other, Indian Lake got a new pool a few years back, and they don't have a slide like that.
No, or splash pad.
Right, so that's really nice. I think this is going to be one of our favorites when we're bringing grandkids now, for sure.
And there's a few playgrounds throughout the park too.
Yeah, you've got volleyball, I think 2 or 3 playgrounds, and there's some, you saw in the video, like a life-size checkerboard, which is kind of cool. And then there's what's that little, is it called Gaga court, or what is that called?
Gaga ball?
Gaga ball? We're not sure what that is yet, but there's like a little Gaga ball. There was like 30 or 40 kids in there the other day, but we didn't film it with the kids in there because YouTube gets a little weird about kids, so we just avoided filming it then. We're not sure what that's all about, but it looked fun. If you like to ride your bike, you saw there's a bike trail just on the other side of the lake. It ended up being only about 1.5 miles long one way, but still, I mean, it's an easy ride over there from the park. You don't have to go out on the main road like we did. We found on the way back you can come back some back streets and avoid traffic altogether. So that's a nice bike ride.
That was real nice. We saw lots of wildlife over there.
Yeah, I think this park has a little bit of everything for everybody. So if you're looking for a nice state park, and as always, the state parks in Ohio are pretty roomy, always clean. We don't give you tours of the public bathrooms because I think that's a little creepy, but they were clean. We did peek inside of them. All the showers, all the bathrooms are really clean here. The water wasn't in our full hookup site. It didn't smell. It doesn't look rusty. I know we're only here for 2 days, so it's hard, but it's nice clean water. So if you're looking for a nice state park with lots to do,
this definitely be on our list again for sure.
Absolutely, I highly recommend Grand Lake St. Mary's State Park. And so, guys, as always, if you like the tour, if you like our videos, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of our next video.
And tap that thumbs up.
Absolutely. And if you guys are watching or following the upgrades that we do to our Montana, stay tuned and be sure and subscribe and hit the bell because there's another upgrade coming this week. So we'll catch you on that one. Thanks for watching, guys.